Now try to pick him up.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared of your own dog?
Because every time he tries to bite me.
Okay, do it again. Just talk to him. Say, Happy, get in my lap.
Happy, get in my lap.
Grab him. Slide him close to you.
I can't. I'm scared.
Do it again. You're not paying attention to him.
I don't want to.
Okay.
I'm trying to get him. Here, Hampton.